dark skins, black people in general, we be scared to try new colors. We be scared to try blonde because it's just like people always have something to say. But this is cute, so do it.
Wait a minute, who are you? You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. You already know what I'm gonna say. If you're new here, subscribe. Cause why not? You already clicked on the video. You already watching. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I'm dropping another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So yeah, subscribe. So in today's video, as you can see, I did my hair and I got a new color. I did something different, you know. Breaking boundaries, debunking stigmas. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I did these bob soft butterfly locks. So before we get into this video, I'm gonna show y'all what hair I got. I didn't do my bob locks like everybody else did, where they just take the water wave hair and wrap it around your hair. I didn't do that because my beauty spot store ain't have no hair. All they had was soft locks, some bobbi noonie soft locks, 8-inch. And as you can see, this is not 8-inch. So I used 6 packs of 8-inch of Bobbi Boss 613 crochet soft locks. I just extended them to be 16 inches. If y'all want to see how I extend dreads, go watch my other video. I'm going to put it in the cards up there and link in the description. Go watch my other video on how I extended it. But for this time when I extended, all I did was tie it into a knot. I did not wrap hair around it or glue it or nothing, because I already knew I was going to be wrapping the crochet hair and the passion twist hair. So yeah, so I bought 6 packs of those, and when I bought 6 packs of those, I bought this first, 613 obviously. I ran out of the hair, and I had to go to the beauty supply store and get some more hair. They didn't have that, so I got 2 packs of freetress waterwave crochet hair, 613. This is the bomb twist hair, and then this is the waterwave hair. I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. So whichever one y'all like, that's the one y'all can use. That's how I achieved this look. I didn't use glue. I didn't use none of that. All I did after was spray my whole head with Got To Be glue and some spritz. And that's all I did. Hey y'all, this time I braided my hair to like right here and then twisted the rest. I learned like you don't have to braid it all the way down. It really does. When you taking it out, it makes it more of a hassle. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when most of my hair is done and I already got the hang of everything, and y'all can see the color and yeah, and everything. So yeah. Okay, I'm back, and as y'all can see, this is the color. You know, dark skins can do blonde too. Okay, so first I'm just going to, y'all see I braided to there and then twisted the rest. So first I'm just going to take the crochet hook, slide it through, and put the dread on the hook. Slide it back, and then put the dread in a knot. Damn. So first I take some water wave hair, stretch it out. This is only one piece, one curly piece. You just keep stretching it out and making it fluffy, like extra fluffy. Okay, so then I take the crochet hook again and just roll it just a little, just so it can fit on the hook. And and bam. Okay, so now I have a dread and then the hair. So all I'm gonna do is start wrapping. Take both pieces and start wrapping. All right. First, I'm gonna wrap to cover the hair, but you can wrap loose. Like, you see how loose I'm wrapping? I'm just really throwing it over, but I'm making it tight enough so it can cover my hair. And then, like, see, if it don't cover it, and then bam. But once I get to the end, like the end of my hair, I wrap tighter just so it won't come out. And then I just take the rest of this, wrap it again tight, and then I wrap this very loosely around this, just so it can give it the butterfly look. Let me see. And I don't cut it, to make it a bob, I fold it to where it needs to be, and then wrap the pieces around. And this, I'm not gonna lie, this makes it look extra butterfly, because it just look, And I just keep wrapping up and down until it's done. And to make this bottom part secure, take a little piece of small crochet here, and I wrap it back around. And bam. Bam, bam, bam. People was doing different techniques and different stuff. You don't have to do all that. All you gotta do was wrap it loosely. As you can see, I wasn't doing nothing. No technique. I literally just was wrapping it loosely, trying to cover my hair, and this is what it looked like. Here's a close-up. Slide it through. Bam. Take the hair. And slide it back through. Add the crochet here. And pull one side through. So crochet here, dread my hair. So just going to wrap around the base, and then start wrapping. I'm gonna do a little tighter this time, because as you can see, my hair is popping through and I don't like that. Now, as you can see, you really don't have to do much to make it butterfly or distressed. Just wrap it lightly and tightly at the same time. Cut it off, so I can get the same length. And wrap the rest of the piece of the hair around. And I'm not cutting them because I can just use this crochet hair again, these crochet dreads again. So I might as well. Can you see these popping through? Like, you just gotta play with it to cover up your hair, honestly. But damn. Damn. So this is the final result. Do y'all like? Do y'all like? Do y'all like? This is a new color. Like, you know, dark skins, black people in general, do not be trying to, I don't know, I think it's a society thing. Like, we be scared to try new colors. We be scared to try blonde because it's just like, people always have something to say. But this is cute, so do it. Do any color you want. Pink, green, purple, blue, red, white, gray, blonde. Do anything, because you can do it. Like, it's gonna look good regardless. Like, it's gonna look good. I'm gonna show y'all how it look down, because maybe y'all want to see how it look down. And I need to show y'all like the back. So this is how it looks down. Baddie or what? This is how I look down. This is the back. Side. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video to other people. First of all, y'all should just share this video because it's a dark skin with some blonde hair. Come on now. Come on now. Rocking the blonde hair. Y'all might as well share it to everybody. Show everybody that we can do this. We can do any color we want. So yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And just stay tuned for my next one. Bye.